Hello! Today we are going to be experiencing Chuck E. Cheese's photo booth. So you take a seat here. Your card. Click the start button. Then we need to choose the theme. Which here they call borders.
Look here. Can you take a picture?
Yeah, he's right. We need to look at the camera. I'm gonna choose the pizza one. Next. Look at the camera. Now the picture is the reverse of how you took it, but the writing is not backwards. Now you need to add stickers. Those are optional. You can add just 4. I'm gonna drag this sticker. Then we click next. Then we have to choose a filter.
Zombie?
No, hold on. So I'm gonna choose color. Now we have to wait for it to print. You will find the photos here. Oh look.
The floor is ready, so let's sit down, please.
We got our picture. And you can also take a picture on the back of it. So I'm gonna press this button. We need to swipe it first. Then I'm gonna press the button. This time I'm gonna do the cheese.
The counter up there?
Yeah, the camera's right up there. And we need to click next.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's funny. Now we need to add the stickers. So as you can see, there's a photo booth on the back of the. There's a photo area on the back of the photo booth thingy, and this is the one. Now that we've added our 4 stickers, we need a filter. So let's keep it on color. And now we need to wait for the photo. There, we got our photo. And this is how to use the Chuck E. Cheese photo booth. Bye-bye.